Choose Need in the fence line and objects greater than or equal to 35 cm. Vertical put the fence line as a circle island. Keep the distance between two ends of fence line less than or equal to 1 cm. Fence lines should be perpendicular to edge of lawn but cannot be overlapped. When the actual angle is less than 125 degrees, adjust the bend angles greater than or equal to 125 degrees. The fence line around the lawn should be greater than or equal to 35 cm from the lawn edge. When finished around lines, cut the right ones only leave 15 cm to connect to charging station. Connected two ends of fence line to it. Then charger station be connected electrical source by adapter. Put the mower clockwise to the line. Enter the password to start. When machine goes to charging station smoothly and back into the lawn to work, it is okay. The mower goes straightly at first. When it arrives in working area, the mower will go circle. The mower will avoid any barrier automatically during its working. The customer could adjust the cutting height by turn knob. The mower just suits for the lawn that slope less than 55 degrees. When it rains or snows, the mower will go back to the charge station. This is the sub-area's view. Set memory point. Place the mower 1 meter from the charge station. In a clockwise direction walking along the fence line, set memory points in each area. Setting walking area, place the mower in front of the charge station and face to charge station. When the mower arrives at first memory point, it will turn left and go into area 1. After finished work, it will go to area 2 and area 3.